Asasesikhathi namukele ku-Ace the Coach podcast show nje basathi nje namhla kumsombuluko kunyenti bekwenteka kumele sonto emidlalo sibonile ke imidlalo eminyenti sicisa kasicala khona la ekhaya elicembu lethi bafana selochubeke njalo umdlalo wabo ulungiselela indebe emhlaba badlalele ke neJamaica behind closed doors badlala idraw ya 1-1 kanti umdlalo welicembu lePirates osunapolice nguyekelo Shalgoli badlala ngedraw ya 1-1 kanti ilicembu lemabhobhoko into bedlalele eMabarbarians emqeqeshi Erasmus ulimemetele ilicembu badlala abanyeni labasha kuFakers nje nasekolisi unkapteni welicembu ubuyile ke naye lokhanya nalabanye badlali Fakers bo5 declare kanti ke masichubeka futhi ebholeni lembhoco sibonile ke macembu eTlamabile zange adlale kahle iqembu leMastermas ke manje iqembu leMabhulu sibende kahle kakhulu ekhambeni bangile emancane United Rugby Championship ade bedlala ama-defending champions iqembu eleMaLeinster emhla ka-19 kulenyanga leSetulu kuye uJune kanti ke kumdlalo futhi semyebo khona lodonsa emehlo bekhona lapha nje imidlalo nje yema relegation playoff iqembu elapha nje leMilford besilizele kusebata wina bese bahamba bangela PSL manje zamamba kahle badliwe ekhaya eGolini icanzeni badliwe iqembu leCaptain City wena kona ukuthi nje sekumnanzi ke kuyo ipromotion playoff iCaptain City nemaphuzu amathathu kanti nemagesi amaphuzu amathathu eMilford nemaphuzu lesithupha kanti ngalosithathu ke iqembu lemagesi bethe bevasha iqembu leCaptain City kuba kumnanzi kakhulu engeneka sibone onke amaqembu agcina anemaphuzu elamathathu kanti masiqhubeka futhi kumjahoti iqola ebekhona futhi iFormula 1 ibanjwe lapha nje eMonaco kanti umdlali walapha nje lokuba inqola yeMercedes Kimi Raikkonen ewendetimanga futhi kube umdlalo ucala since iqalile iFormula 1 ukuthi awina onke oy5 lama race ngokulandelana nabela sondo lephenza wayo window yena futhi kusho kona ukuthi nje sizelo likhulu le season le kuyiFormula 1 kanti Lewis Hamilton iqembu layo leFerrari qese number lesibili kanti lapha nje umdlali liquba iRed Bull Max Verstappen weqetha lapha nje number lesithathu kanti ke masesibuka imidlalo omkhulu bakhona khona ekhaya ebholeni letnyawo besigoqoda ke season ya 2026 edition 17 City Cup lapha nje enkomazi iwinile ke iqembu lekamshusha City Stars imagoli labatheka bemathathu lamabili emapenalties abase nje badlale idraw not enkundleni leqembu lapha nje leBloemfontein eqineni bawina amapenalties imidlalo lapha nje benginozinti beqembu City Stars lophenze futhi abenginozinti wende kahle kakhulu ba man of the match Foster babe amapenalty amabili kusasithi iqembu lakhe liwine lenzebe kanti ke nakuboma ke sibonile ke emaladies nayo futhi enditimanga lapha nje sikumana sidal youngsters bawine iCeltic Cup 4 seasons in a row so laba defender bashala phanje iqembu leMagogeni Liverpool kanti ke eseke qoqoda beyikhona futhi neGrand Slam yesibili lapha nje eRoland Garros iFrench Open imidlali lapha nje waseGermany egcineni lapha nje Andre Rublev noma nje Andre Zverev iseweqineni okhona ukuthi nje anqobe lapha nje indebe yakhe oqala iGrand Slam wase nje awine lapha nje yona iGrand Slam yeFrench Open kanti futhi nakuboma ke emidlalo lapha nje Andreva bomdlalo uqanqalo omncane lo teenager since 22 years ago ukuthi awine lapha nje yona iFrench Open kunyendikile kwendekile ukutete emidlalo ke ngesikhathi sethu sesithathe isibikela na Ace the Coach ku Ace the Coach podcast show Asasesikhathi namukele kudete emidlalo na Ace the Coach podcast show basathi ke ukuthi namuhla elakale manqamu sikhona la ekhaya eNkomazi kaMhlusha Stadium lasibona khona nje imidlalo yeCeltic Cup edition ke ye17 yeCeltic Cup nje basibona selo yakhula eqhubeka sicela kubona nje manqamu nyalo badlali bakhona badlala la sibona khona ifinal yema under 17 umdlalo wesibili ke ifinal Smith bayikhona nje badlala ifinal yema ladies emva kwalowo bese sibuka futhi ke the main final esingayo ifinal yema open into bedlala nayo futhi ngo2 o'clock iphonyalo 11 into bedlala nje ifinal lapha nje yema ladies after ngo9 udlala ifinal lapha nje yema under 17 sithi basikhumisana ke badlali bakapteni baphathi bayo iCeltic Cup nje basathi ukuthi nje kunyende sebesibuka namuhla bakapteni banyengile badlali nemascout lento bakhona asesathe sibike la Ace the Coach temidlalo kuyo Ace the Coach podcast show sibonile ke imidlalo oqala sophelile kumanqamu kuma under 17 eCeltic Cup edition ye17 sinaye ke legend udlalile emaqenjini amakhulu PSL SuperSport United Platinum Stars kuKaizer Chiefs unyalo udlala eqenjini lekhaya eNkomazi iNasty Bees sibonile ke captain eKumusipe Foundation Championship Innocent Mkhabelo phinza futhi unyalo ambassador yayo futhi imidlalo yeCeltic Cup ukudlala futhi khona la discover khona la kuyo iCeltic Cup asasesikhathi sibele kumikete imidlalo sabona ukuthi imidlalo oqala ema-finals saphelile ema-under 17 kuphi mhlawumbe lokubonile lisasasa ne-future yabadlali under 17
njengakusho ngikubonile kunelitalent kakhulu lethi ifuna ukupolishwa sibanakekele abafana sibakhuthade bakhona ukubaboosta i-confidence
and then sibo emidlalo badlale idraw ya1 man baze baya ama-penalties kusho ukuthi loko especially masibuka mathuba bawatholile bangawasebenzisi kepha bazabe kunama penalties sekathi kusima penalty kuba inhlanhla the best team of that day sometimes they lose because ima penalty kuba lotharo.
Yeah, lengakusho it was a game of two halves. First half it was Juventus. Second half it was 1346 ilamkhonto. Mara mapenalty njoba usho ukuthi decide noma ngubani kuya ngokuthi wathatha kanjani. I-draw yona kusho ukuthi finishing yabo beyiphuwa bazamile kufika epalini mara i-conversion yabo engekho clinical.
Yena kusho ukuthini musabuka kwenyalo sidlale final linye kuphela imanda 17 satodlala ifinal ma ladies esamele i-main final but already bantu sebakhona ngetingane kusho kona ukuthi nje bayithanza i-Celtic Cup edition ye-17.
Ngale ngakusho ukuthi bayisupport ibhola kakhulu enkomazi noma kudlala yipi i-gender bona bahlala bakhona abantu support abafuna ukubona i-talent bahambisa isikhathi sibasita kulokuningi babaleka emigwaqweni etingodini batohlala la ba witness i-talent lasenkomazi.
Angibonga kakhulu asembeke sokukhulumisana nje bayimdlalo saqhubeka.
Akunankinga bhuti ngiyabonga.
Ya libekhona ke enguye ke i-legend Innocent Mkhabela udlalile ke kuyo Celtic Cup udlalile ke amacebo lamakhulu sebabalile besibuka ke i-final yokuqala ye-under 17 seyiphele sebesibuka ke i-final lesibili yema ladies after lapho ke sebesibuka i-final enkulu lasibona khona ukuthi ngiliphi iqembu ethatha leminyaka lo edition ye-17 as the coach esikhona lana kanye Mazanga Stadium noma sikhona la ekhaya ekamhlosha Stadium Mancamu ayo Celtic Cup sesithathe ke sibekela sebesikhulumisana ke nebadlali labanye emva kwalomdlalo lo sikhulumisane futhi nebaphathi basibabona abanyenti basekhona basaqithi isaka. Yeah sibonile ke ukuthi kumnanzi la ekhaya eNkomazi kaMhlushwa Stadium siqesa kubuka efinal ema-under 17 sebuka konyalo dlala ifinal ema ladies bacesa khona nje nyalo lava kwami kepha nje sinesikhulu. Thank you so much for your time today. It's the final of the Celtic Cup. What does it mean for you as a part of the LOC?
So this is the culmination of all the work we have been doing since 21st of March. It has been a very tough one, but we think we've delivered a better one compared to last year. And our aim is to have a better tournament year in, year out. We keep on improving. So this is good.
Also today the turnout is very good. It showed that people they love this cup, this tournament.
I can tell you what we are seeing now is nothing. Very soon, this stadium will be struggling to accommodate people. And that's what we have planned for, that there will be an overflow. We do have plans that if it's really, really chock-a-block, we'll get the youngsters in the tracks to create space for the elders inside. So we have plans.
So far, what have you seen in the final, the development, especially they play a draw and then they won penalties?
So the game is good. And I just hope there are scouts there who are looking at the young ones. Yes, we are excited about the big final, but I think development under 17, that's where we are really, really interested. And going forward, we want to put more money there so that we can take these boys to the higher levels. And so far, I'm impressed with what I've seen, and we can do better going forward.
Thank you so much for your time.
We thank you, and thank you for the good work.
Thanks so much.
Okay.
Yeah, emphasi ke welcome manje emphasi lo pizza futhi abeyingcenye ye-LC Celtic Cup nje basebona nanyalo ujabulile ngale turnout lekhona. Sikhulumisana nje nabo baningi ke baphathi nje basibona iqhubeka le tournament kunyento esibesibuka bajabulile ngale turn up lekhona basathi iqhubeka futhi balandzeli bangena ngetinkani sibuke kuyo i-Celtic Cup kufanele edition ke le ye-17 kusho kona siyakhula already nje linani lebantu sebacelile bangena kusho kona by the time kudlala ifinal basegcwele kakhulu sithathe sibeke la sinelanga lelithe ke kuyo Celtic Cup na Ace coach. Yeah nje basadi ke sila eNkomazi kaMhlushwa Stadium semidlalo omkhulu lokhona ke namuhla edition ye-17 ye-Celtic Cup lesibona khona nje emaqembu saqalile nje atlungiselela nje ubona nje lava kwami bakhona nje batlungiselela bathi benje badlala nyalo maduzane bathi bamela iqembu lapha nje lamkhasha Drong sekafikanga sebesibuka ukuthi ama preparations abo emenjani before umdlalo sebesikhulumisana ke nemceceshi nje basiva naye ukuthi khona la kuplanile kepha nje konyalo emva kwami sabona solo eqhubeka nje umdlalo edlala ifinal manje under 17 saphelile sidlala ifinal lebomake sebesikhulumisana ke nami madam president simuve ukuthi nje ubona njani since iqalile imidlalo besolo ikhona sebesikhulumisana naye lomunye ke lo landzela yona Celtic Cup khona la ekhaya eNkomazi lomunye ke bebalandzela phinze futhi lokhuphukako ekubahlati ebholeni etinyabo kanzi futhi simbonile naseminyakeni lophelile bakayiphathi ye-Celtic Cup aphinze futhi wathola nje nemhlomelo ukuthi wena kahle ku-Celtic Cup angisasesikhathi engibikelela kwamukele kudede emidlalo na-Ace coach kuyo i-podcast sabona ke ukuthi namuhla sikumancama selifikile ilanga edition ye-17 so far uboneni imidlalo emibili ledlalile especially imidlalo uqala under 17.
Mangithi ngiyabona kuma under 17 the one thing that I'm very excited for is the way that these young players have the stamina, they have the courage. they have the confidence, because before the talent, you must have the equipment to make sure that you're going to be able to face this, because this is the final. There's money involved, and you know where there's money involved, people need to give their utmost best and everything. But under the 17s, I was very excited. I was very proud, because it showed that on the first match, rather, of the Juventus, it showed that it's a tough game for tough players, because the boys were able to fight head on with each other and take things through the finals. Hence, the Juventus won with 5-4. So that shows exactly how much local tournaments contribute into the confidence of our young upcoming soccer stars.
Yes, sibonile aphelile ke manqamu ema under 17 ngima penalties abva sikube i draw ya 1-1 simanqamu ke aboma ke sabona ke licembu la ekhaya le leader nga 2-0 kuyokhombisa ukuthi already vele bato iphumelela le game kepha so far nguphi lokubonako especially kwisasasa ile ma ladies basibona nima super strikers badlala kahle kusasol umusobo le talent sibonile kuboma ke so far khona mhlambe badlali baphakamisa kwasandla kusingahle sibabone bo join super strikers osibone ama scouts lamanye nje basibona ne under 20 eSouth Africa yonke kunabadlali labanyeni bobuya ekhaya eKomazi.
Respectfully speaking, remember I'm a media personality. I'm not allowed to take sides, but I do appreciate talent. So within that question, I'm going to try and be very smart and not give you exactly what you're asking me so that I can be on the safe side. Because I also do report like you, so I don't want to sound like I'm having favoritism there and there. But all is well, and we're wishing everyone else the best.
And then msobo so far lokune sikubonile kusadlala ema under 17 dlala ama ladies the main final esingayo ebo Ukraine sengafika but umsobo I crowd endlala support ngakhona kusho kusini lokho balandzeli nibathanzi bebhola nyawo la ekhaya eKomazi.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kuko konke lokhu ke kwendeka ngaphambilini kuyo yonke iselati sinsinyalo siku 17 edition akukase ke kubukane lama team noma ke lamaqembu omabili lawa bekavele afisa kokuthi lenzebe ayibambe ngoba sinayo ikamhlushwa City Stars of which ikamhlushwa City Stars is kamhlushwa Real Madrid. It's just the second team, so therefore which means the amount of energy that the chairman of rather Kamhlushwa City Stars and Kamhlushwa Real Madrid had wanted to take the cup, he made sure he does what he can to have two teams. Same happens with Blue Crane. He made sure that he can either have two teams so that he can make it this far. And right now, today is a control against power. Because when you look at the attendance at the stadium and you look at the colors between red and blue, you can see that it's a balance. Both teams are the thing. But now, looking at the football strategies of it, Kamhlushwa Real Madrid has young players, Blue Crane has experience. So it's a tough game for tough players.
Yeah, sivile ke semedam nje baasho ke ukuthi into bayimidlalo batima kakhulu sabona ke nje badlali baqalile nje bahlomselela into banomdlalo omkhulu kumanqamu balandzeli sabona abanyenti nendlela koneka ngakhona bayathanza ibhola yabo sebesibuka ke imidlalo usuhamba njani nje usaqhubeka kwanyalo umdlalo lokhona kuboma ke ifinal sebesibuka umdlalo omkhulu ke wabo baba siphinze imlanza futhi na media president emva kwesesigoqota konke silaze futhi nebaphathi nebakapteni sikhulumile naye Innocent Mkhabela abanyenti sebesibuka uyona futhi iSelect Cup edition 17 sesathe sibekela as the coach kuthi umdlalo kaMhlushwa Stadium. Yeah, nje basade ke sinemdlalo omkhulu into ukhona maduzane nemceceshi ke welicembu lelingenile la emanqamu asembeke ukuthi sebesibona naye ukuthi usiphatheleni sebesimuva ke ukuthi uthini coach egcinile indlela afikelelanga wende kahle kakhulu manyeni macembu bakhona 70 something ekepha egcinile icembu lakho kumanqamu yini mhlambe lesikalizela kuwe special sathi ukuthi udlala icembu leslatiko le Blue Crane.
Le balandzeli labangakulindzela ngicabanga ukuthi bangali singalindzeli win more than anything, because that's what we are here for, select to win. So that's the only thing labanga expect. It's a beautiful game, let's start display, after this it's a win. That's what we want after all.
Then simo sakho sebadlali simenjani because isathi ukuthi game lefana nale kuba khona nema nerves nokuthi nje sindawo yahle yini bafuna nokutshintsha kepha wena uthi ubakhuthisana njani mhlambe simo sebadlali physical sathi ukuthi ba prepare party psychological ebanjani ingqondweni simo sebadlali.
Banenhlanhla ke ngoba I'm one of the person no very good at motivating my players. Ngicabanga ukuthi they are well motivated from a side in la, from a side in la chairman, from a side in la onke nje lama supporters eMadrid la khona, even including nalaba labathanda ibhola nje eNkomazi. The team is ready to fight for everything. Let's hope for the best after all. Kude lokunye ngicabanga badlale mina ama fans angakulindzela more than that. It's a win after all. That's what we are here for.
The message for badlali batshele yona before the final sathi ukuthi nje uyakhusatile mhlambe emagama lebatshele wona before the final.
Win or lose, we're a team after all. Win or lose, we're a team. We remain humble, we don't fight, we don't do anything. We're just happy for the fact that we already slalile safika kuma final, of which is a bonus to us. So why not give it all, man? Just figure kuma final. So the players are ready, even physical, even mentally. We've tried our best to prepare them for the final. Plus, then we've got a lot of senior players in terms of trying to help each other, because still is now the motivation. Because now the stadium nerves, if you can't control them, they will play a role in the game. To show some of the guys they are not used in the stage, but I think we've prepared everything enough to say we can win the game today.
Coach, good luck for your game and as the Coach Podcast Show. Assemble Dr. Sablela lo ukuthi egcineni iqembu lakho tona kahle, all the best for the final.
Ngibonga kakhulu sicela nemafans ethu ukuthi atiphathe kahle aphinde support the way they've been supporting us. Sibafoluisha ngalenye indlela. We're here for them. We will fight everything to make sure ukuthi trophy sayithola. If sihlulekile but nabo batawunetiseka if sihlulekile.
Ngibonga kakhulu coach.
Ngiyabonga Mr.
Yeah, esimvile ke coach welicembu lala ekhaya uyathemba ke ukuthi badlali bakhe ubaluselele kahle baredi sebesimuva ke nomqeqeshi ke welicembu lelinye nje basibone baqala balungiselela simuva usinaye ubone njani uyathemba ke badlali bakhe ukuthi ba prepare enough konke nje bebaplanile elviki saqala baredi inengqondo konke ready asembe ke ukuthi sibona umdlalo lomkhulu lomnanzi ile macembu amabili adlala la nje wasathi ukuthi nje akusilula ke nelicembu leBrooklyn nalo futhi ilicembu lenta kahle kakhulu okanyalo asisathe sibekela as the coach show podcast show ekamhlusha stadium lasibona khona imidlalo emikhulu lo tabakhona amadozana Santi Cups edition ye17 sophilile ke imidlalo emancamo yebo make mantombazane sathi ukuthi Anel Khone sibonile ke baphumelele nga 2-0 onke amagoli noma nje baphumelele nga3 amagoli lamahle nemqeqeshi wabo coach usho ukuthini ukuthi namuhla uphize wabonakalisa iqembu lakho lenta kahle kakhulu enbo champion edition ye17.
Yeah, njengoba umlando osho it's been 4 years in a consecutive years. Into lebalekile lokuqala ilesiyendako kulabantwana, we instill discipline, we instill love and passion, and bese bona sibaniketa the vision of where we want to see them in the future, so that batokhona ba motivated ku training session. They are motivated. This is the B team of super strikers, the one that is coming from the province, which means these girls are motivated because they want to go there to the bigger team. That's why if you call them for your practice, they come in numbers so that they can showcase their talent, so that they can be promoted to the next level.
Asibonga kakhulu coach emsebenzini wakho lomuhle.
Siyabonga kakhulu, siyakuthanda ukuthi media ingadlala ikhona just to showcase women's football. I was surprised to know Gweguzbengama selection as a coach. I didn't know anything about them. If you can see the just number 10, just number 40, just number 6, they are 14 years, and we need that quality in that in those selection of under 17. It's a surprise, but it's gonna be good in the future, because I think this is the platform, their league, the relationship between Department of Education and the teams at home. It's supposed to improve a lot, because we are leaving some students behind just because we are not having the idea of what is happening.
Ngibonga coach sibasikhumbuza ke na captain simuva uthini sibonge ke captain phindze na wina ke indzabe namuhla une 4 years in a row kusho kuthini kuwe njenga captain weqembu.
Kusite kakhulu ukuthi siye egroundini singasabi enobo coach noma basitshela ukuthi sipushe kakhulu sisuke sipusha nakhona ngibo lebasenta ukuthi sigcine siwina namuhla kusipusha kwabo ngibo lokwenta ukuthi sifike lana kunalabanye abantwana lebathina babuye esikoleni bafike balale mara thina nasibuye esikoleni mhlambe njengoba labanye bafunda bayasho ukuthi asiye negroundini ngoba uyati nawe lomtsala ukuthi bathi hard work pays. So coach usite kakhulu for ukuthi usipushile sayagcina safika la. Nema teammate wami ukuthi nawo akakadendeli phasi nathi asikadendeli phasi lokho namhla lokubalekile ukuthi sonke siwinile as a team.
Ngibonga kakhulu, good luck.
Ngiyabonga.
Sibonile ke sophilile ke imidlalo sithese ke iqembu 4 years in a row kulenzelana usho wasebenza kahle kakhulu asembe ke usebona baqhubeka bakhula sibe sibuka ke ifinal iphelile under 17 iphelile ke ima ladies esilizele ke ifinal la sibona khona eBlue Crane sibonile ke ingena sibonile nafundo vilakazi siba nenhlahle ke sikhulumisana naye semovusini as the coach esikamhlusha stadium sophilile ke imidlalo bawinile ke amagoli lamathathu ecanzeni kuumdlalo bakhona bomake baphumelela benta kahle kakhulu bakhula ke asembe ke sibathe kuqhubeka futhi nje bayidefender sebawine ke 4 years in a row shokho ukuthi nje beta kakhulu asithathe ke sibeke khona la kudoda emidlalo na Ace coach. Yeah, sifile sesikhathi ke sasabona ke Mancamu aphelile ama-under 17 aphelile nemaledi sikadlala Mancamu njengoba ubona amaqembu amabili sakhona la sebesibuka umdlalo omkhulu lomnanzi asathi ke ukuthi siphatheleni lokujabusako ukuthi ke uma ababili maqembu adlale kahle a-prepared sebesibuka umdlalo omkhulu lomnanzi kakhulu wonke umuntu ke namuhla utobuka la maqembu sadlala njani asembe ke ukuthi kuba i-big game njengoba sotoqala nje maduzane sizele ke ukuthi amaqembu atimisela ke kube lula ke because amabili maqembu ayatana kanti futhi a-prepare right kakhulu siba sibona umdlalo omnanzi emafinal e-Salad Cup edition ye-17 kusho kona ke ukuthi iyakhula ke i-tournament ye-Salad Cup asembe ke ukuthi umdlalo lona utokudosa amehlo nebalandzeli akhona nje ama-scouts bakhona futhi namaqembu lamanyeni bo-Test Galaxy bo-Crew United botobo abadlali nanyalo lithuba ke leli ukuthi bathole abadlali abasha botobo babuka babathathe babasebenzise emaqenjini abo Ace coach eMancamu Salad Cup kaMhlushwa Stadium. Yeah, ekugcineni ke sesibonile imidlalo sofike emaphatheleni sinemidlalo man of the match nosithi weqembu leStars kaMhlushwa City Stars sambona ke uphumelele kusabe man of the match ngeke Foster ulubambe ama-penalty lamabili ekugcineni indlela kahle kakhulu enze nafika Mancamu sho kuthini kube ukuthi namuhla be man of the match uphizwe sihle iqembu lakho sekuwine edition ye-17 ye-Salad Cup.
Ngithanza kubonga lo mtsala ngithanza kubonga ithuba labasinikete lona from technical team my teammates engasilula sukusela stana labanye bangasho ukuthi bekulula ngoba sibesolo sigega wara wathi inkulumo uhlela khona ebholeni lo mtsala ngithanza kubonga ukuthi ngithole nayi ini man of the match bekungasilula mtsala njengoba ngisho so ngobe siyidzinga le win nabo sidlalile sikhombisile kulwa smart sheet.
Then bethini message to coach before nema penalties.
Kude lokuthina kushilo uthi uyasithemba sonke nalabantu oshaya nami ngithemba bacela ngibawede because ku open play 90 minutes Machita akhonile kufighter akagora then kuma penalty vele kufuna kulebo goalkeeper lapho so usengicela ucela ngibawede kulona.
Sibonga ke congratulations well done for ukuthi state team yakho nibe ma champion City Stars le senamuhla edition 17 ye-Salad Cup.
Siyabonga mthana.
Ngibonga kakhulu. Nguyeke Foster ke nguye lo test ke namuhla ube man of the match nguye lo sithi iqembu lakhe ukuthi babe bo champion e-Salad Cup. Sebesikhulumisana ke nebaqeqeshi nabadlali nalabanye sebebone njani sesigoqoda yona nje i-Salad Cup edition 17 iwinile ke iqembu la ekhaya le kaMhlushwa Stars baphumelele ama-penalties badlale i-draw 0-0 enkundleni bawina ama-penalties nga-3-2 bashaya iqembu le-Brooklyn sebesikhulumisana ke nebadlali labanye Fakers baqeqeshi bobabili sesasa ke sibike la njengoba sesegoqoda sesegcineni sesemaphetheleni sesegoqoda yonke i-City Stars ebo champion be-Salad Cup 2026 yanongotela imnanzi i-Salad Cup. Yeah, sesifikile ke emaphetheleni e-Salad Cup ya-2016 iqembu la ekhaya kaMhlushwa City Stars ngibo champion banqobe nga-3-2 sinemphathi lo phethe ibhola lenyawo la ekhaya asibonge ke usekugcineni indlebe ye-Salad Cup edition 2016 edition 17 ifike emaphetheleni iwinile City Stars nga-3-2 kusho kuthini kini njengabaphathi ngibona abalandzeli bangaka lelithalente elikhona la enkomazi.
Ngibingelele bonke balandzeli belibhola lena edition ye-17 ye-Salad Cup ngicabanga ukuthi solo kuyicalile iyakhula kakhulu sibone besinawo ama-category ladlalile mhlawumbe under 17 yethu sibone idlala nayo kwaba newina kwathi kuma-girls open kwaba newina kwathi la kuma-boys open kwaba newina kuyasijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi onke la ma-category lawa ayadlala nemapiyala asesemancane siwabona athola lithuba lokuya phambili.
Into nje ke baphathi lensini njengela iMpumalanga into ngakhona sabona amaqembu lamanyenti ayaphuma la abakhona kusekhona ukuthi talent lethu liningi kusho kona ukuthi maningi mathuba ukuthi maqembu ladlala professional ngeteke nje basibonile ukhathini kweCrew United ne-The Bees.
Sikubone kakhulu lesifuna kusho ukuthi besifisa ukuthi kubo bonke bomasipala sibe ne-stadium lesimitha ama-requirement e-Professional Soccer League njengale stadium lesikuso la kaMhlushwa bengisakhuluma na executive mayor ukuthi ufuna basi-upgrade kodwa kuncane kakhulu mhlambe la kube ne-area ye-VIP ne-media bangalungisa lokho uvumile ukuthi basakulungisa mhlambe engakapheli inyanga leti 12 ukuthi onke amagame akhona ukudlala lapha kaMhlusha ladlala ku-PSL ne-First Division.
Sesigoqoda nje ngathini baphathi belihlelo labahlele konke iSelect Cup.
Sifuna ukubonga kakhulu kuma sponsors wethu ngokuhlukahlukana kusuka kuSelati uye kuTrek uye konke nje konke lama sponsors lakhona labachasi banengi sicela ukuthi bachubeke basichase njengoba nebabukeli belibhola bathi akuqhubeka futhi ngokuthi bathenge yona ishukela yethu.
Asibonga kakhulu Sikhasayo.
Sibonga thina.
Ya ngiphasi ke welibhola letinyawo la eMpumalanga besigoqoda nje Select Cup sesikhulumisana ke nemphasi na Kenneth Phiri sikhulumisana nemqeqeshi futhi weqembu langale lesistar semuvo sinayo sithini asesimuve ke ku-2013. Ya ngilomike bahlatiye phize futhi abengcenye yeSelect Cup ikakhona siseqaleni ethi izofika egcineni mhlatiye ke lo khombisile likhono lakhe ngicabanga abaningi bebambuka sibe siva naye ukuthi ibone njani imidlalo yonke hayi imidlalo wanamuhla kuphela the rest of the tournament. Ngibonga kakhulu Sikhasayo sikubonile ke ube part yeSelect Cup edition ye-17 kusho ukuthini kuwe ukuthi bengcenye yaleli qembu leliphumelele namuhla Sisters bawina nga-3-2 bashaya iBrooklyn nawe futhi wena umsebenzi lomuhle lapha kuma commentary njenge-analyst phize futhi commentator.
Ngibonga kakhulu ithuba lokuniketa lona Mthanzi Msakati. Ngibonga kakhulu into lengibonga kakhulu ngayo lapha iSelati Super Cup iyanongotela 2025-2026 season kulapha sikhona sibona lapha licembu layo lapha block A never die bayihlule lapha kuma penalty shootout ngalamathathu kuleli lodwa kodwa noko into lesijabulise kakhulu idiscipline balandzeli belibhola letinyawo siyacela kuyo lapha iSelati ukuthi iphindze futhi nalomnyaka lotako isilethele nayo imidlalo ibe minhle ngendlela lesimanga idiscipline yabo banhle kakhulu kungako sihlale sithi inkomazi iCountry.
Then ke embili musabuka yakhula le tournament sabonela balandzeli namuhla bebanyenti kusho ukuthini lokho welibhola letinyawo especially namuhla bona Funda Vilakazi ngicabanga kuba motivateile futhi naloko.
Kuba motivate kakhulu kwa inspire ngisho nalabancane labangalithanzi ibhola letinyawo ukhumbule ukuthi uma ngabe udlala professional ufike kunayo inkundla lefana nalena fana nakamhlusha stadium lokho kusho kona ukuthi udonsa nalaba labangayithanzi ibhola bethe batokubona la dudane ufikile waba inspire kakhulu washo ukuthi everything is possible even nalabancane labakhona tinzanga takhe tibonile ukuthi nathi singakwenda ukhonile ukukwenda Funda Vilakazi nathi singakwenda sibonga kakhulu ukuthi bamnike invite afike lana naye abe khona kuncenye yeSelati Super Cup.
Asibonga kakhulu Sikhasayo sembe ukuthi nawe nje ngihamba usikhathi ugcine sesibona esonelaza kuma games lamakhulu nje sibona nanyalo ukuthi everything lo indawo yakhombisa ukuthi i-homework yakho badlali babita kahle yakhona even analysis yakho yakhombisa ukuthi nje on top note. Ngibonga kakhulu Sikhasayo.
Ngibonga kakhulu Msakati lento kusiphiwo siyafuna ukuthi siyiphezulu siye phambili kodwa noko akumelanga uyende ngaso sonke isikhathi ufuna imali kufanele uyende lento uyithanze uyende ipassion. Mina ngingiKenneth Kemzasi mfocus buyi ngibonga kakhulu ngibonga kuwo wonke umuntu beyakhona kunayo inkundla namhla kaMhlusha stand up the home of Selati siyabonga kakhulu.
Ya mhlatike bekakhona Kenneth besibuka naye ukuthi ubone njani nje babe khona kusukela eqaleni until namuhla yona iSelect Cup besigoqoda namuhla Sisters bebo champion edition 17 ke bashala phanje licembu leBrooklyn magoli amathathu lamabili sebesikhuluma kisana labanye nje bangisho ukuthi nje ebaningi so that sikhona kubona ukuthi nje bayibone njani Fracas na Kenneth Phiri Lophiza futhi abe nguye coordinator ya iSelect Cup as the coach kaMhlusha Stadium 3 City Stars 2 lecembu leBrooklyn. Yeah, sesigoqotile ke iSelect Cup edition ke 17 2026 bo champion City Stars bashayela phanje eBrooklyn nga-3-2 semphasi ke wayo iSelect Cup emphasi asibonga kakhulu Sikhasayo egcineni emsebenzi wakho lowendile ne-LOC yakho nethimba lakho usufike emapheseleni esabona ukuhambi kahle njengawe emphathi uthini nje sesigoqoda isizini ye-2026 edition ye-17.
Thank you very much. Sibonga lithuba kubalaleli bemsakato lokuhle FM silaka Mhlushwa Stadium live. Siyabonga ukuthi i-tournament ifike egcineni iqale 21 March yaphela mhla ka-6 June. Sibonga ukuthi badlalile talent likhona kuma under 17 kuma ladies what a game ema Skumansdal Young Stars the ladies champion 4th time champion in a row. Thank you so much Ace the coach.
Sesigoqoda nje ile sikaliza next year so basayibona solo yakhulu nebalandzeli baqhubeka babaningi.
Ngicabanga ukuthi discipline kukhuluma nema clubs to respect the rules of the game. We know football is an emotional sport but bantu they must accept defeat and ibhola you win or you lose.
Mphasi umsebenzi wakho muhle kakhulu siyabonga kakhulu sembe ke ukuthi uqhubeka ikhule wena indlela wena ngakhona umsebenzi wakho siyabonga kakhulu sibonga kakhulu Sikhasayo.
Ngibongele kumsakati lokuhle FM Ace the coach ukuthi sibambisane sathi sebalandzeli balaleli bemsakato lokuhle FM kuyo yonke indzawo la msakato ufinyelela khona sibathise ngetemidlalo temidlalo timnanzi tibhlungu ngoba it's a contact sport iyakutsinza inhlitiyo kodwa awuwini ngesifiso wena ngebudlala
Ngibonga kakhulu Sikhasa.
thank you
Ngweke Mr Kenneth Phiri ngoyimphasi ke wayo Select Cup sesikoqoqoda ke ifike kahle emaphaseleni konke nje bebakuplanile nelisimba lakhe LOC kuhambe kahle sibonga kakhulu ukuthi emsebenzini wakhe uyabonakala uyawenda asembe ke ukuthi ukukhula nje bashido nanyalo ukuthi kufuneka idiscipline especially kuna win or lose labanye ke abafuni ukudliwa nje basibonile namuhla nje kwendeka kakhulu asembe ke ukuthi bathi ukuchubeka bathiphathe kahle nekusizini nje basibona iyakhula ngento kanje mhlambe sibone sigcine sedlala sengitekana amaqembu lamanyenti from outside the province edlala into engakhona so besikhumisana ke nemphathi welicembu le Brooklyn bayembona sokhona la Mr Mkhasha Mr Mkhasha strong simuva ukuthi nje ubone njani lo mdlalo ngoba simbonile ke naye beka prepare kahle bekana balandzele abaningi netidududu na everything egcineni asake kwaba nje indlela bekafise ngakhona nje display simbonile alanzane abadlali bekena paper 2 lapha yakhona ipha nje egcineni asangihamba kahle sibe move ke naye ukuthi nje uyibone ethini aseseyimlanze ke lapha nje Mr Mkhasha naye simuve sisigoqoda sabonga ke ukuthi edition ye 17 Select Cup seyiphelile ke emapheseleni sinemphasi ke we Blue Crane Mr Mkhasha mphasi sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho sesigoqoda nje isizini ya 2026 licimbi lakho dlale kahle fika mancane sesigoqoda nje mava akho okugcina
Ngithanda ukubonga season yekugcina vele nami la ku Select ngisayothatha ibreak kancane ngiyabonga abalandzeli be Blue Crane ukuthi bethe ngedingane noma siluzile bathiphathe kahle ngiyabonga kakhulu
asibonga kakhulu mphasi Sikhasa
ngibongele kakhulu
sibonile ke mphasi abonga ukuthi nje naye egcineni licembu lakhe namanje lingakaphumeleli kepha uyasho ukuthi ubonga nebalandzeli season lensha litako asathi ke usiphatheleni because uyabala kusangekho nemdlali nemphasi ke uphinze wabala ukuthi ubona nebalandzeli samanje ke khona social media phinze futhi abe kulomunye balandzeli be Brooklyn nje basembona asibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho egcineni licembu lifike emancane ngipha nje ahamba kakahle njengebalandzeli nebasazi belicembu le Brooklyn isho ukuthini lokho kini ukuthi egcineni akathathanga inzebe nje babe sifisile ukuthi nithathe
ngasho ukuthi egcineni bekumele kube nayo nye le winako lokungijabulisako nje ukuthi akabi nemsindo ngoba leminye iminyaka kunokuliwa ngicabanga ukuthi unokubona musi so lokungijabulisako ukuthi akukaliwa igame iphele kahle kude lolimele sho ukuthi wonke umuntu uyofika kahle emakhaya ngiyabona ngalana kudlala ama sound abantu bajabulile vele egcineni bekumele kube nayo nye le winako nami ngiBlue Crane but ngibuhlungu mara ngipholile nyalo nabo bajabulile lenye langa maybe bayokhala baphinze bajabule nabo lenye ilanga ngiloko nje le nguko
njengamlandzeli bava akugcina nje kubalandzeli lebave abhlungu sabakabi namuhla imessage yakho ithini kubo
lenye ilanga kutolunga malanga awafani noma ngingade ukuthi nini but lenye ilanga ngiyajabula nje ukuthi leSelect le abakalwi sho ukuthi itawuqhubeka 2027 iSelect
abonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho
ngiyabonga bhuti
iphelile ke iSelect Cup sifike emaphetheleni ke licembu lekamhlusha City Stars banqobe nga-3 bashaya icembu leBrooklyn badlale not baphumelela kuma-penalties kusho khona ukuthi nje 2017 noma 2026 edition 17 hamba phela la kaMhlusha Stadium eNkomazi the coach podcast show asibonge kakhulu ukuthi imidlalo uhambile wazafika emaphetheleni sesasa ke sibe khona la